Let's study odd numbers and even numbers now. Numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are odd numbers. Numbers that end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. Let's find the odd number. So 1 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. 7 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. Is 8 an odd number? No, it is not. Only numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are odd numbers. Let's find the even number. 2 is an even number. 4 is an even number. 6 is an even number. 8 is an even number. And 0 is an even number. Numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 are all even numbers. Let's find the odd number here. We have 67. So 7 is an odd number. Therefore, 67 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. So 29 is an odd number. 478, no, this ends with an 8. It's not an odd number. 3, yes. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the numbers we were looking for. So since 3 is an odd number, 243 is also an odd number. Can you find more? 333. It ends with an odd number. 451. Yes, 1 is also an odd number. So we see the 1 over here again. Since this is an odd number, 4,521 is an odd number. Remember the 7? We find another 7 here. So this is also an odd number. Let's find the even numbers. Remember that even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So we have 8. 88 is an even number. 4. 254 is an even number. 986 is an even number because 6 is an even number. 372 is also an even number because 2 is an even number. 540, 6,582. Remember this 2 here? We have 1 again. And 7,854 is also an odd even number. It's quiz time now. Hope you had fun.